explain a pattern. What do you think that means?
You tell what you think a pattern is.
Okay, you might tell what you think the pattern is. What else?
You tell how you get the pattern.
Good. How you can get the pattern. What else?
I think I know multiplications chart what pattern to use.
Ooh, yes. Anything else?
You can tell if you're like teaching somebody how the patterns work, you explain how they work, and they try to do it.
Okay.
So like everything in the tens times table is always going to be even.
Good. That's excellent, Ruby. I like how you went and explained that. So here's what we are going to be doing. Very similar centers to what we did yesterday. When you were visiting me, Nicholas, what are you bringing with you?
You're bringing your gold math book, and then can I tell you where we go?
I just want you to tell me what you're bringing to me.
Gold math.
And a pencil. Very good. When you're at the study island or reflex station, what are you bringing with you?
If you're on reflex, you are do your fact family. What fact family?
Good.
If you're on study island, you have to write what you learned.
Very good.
Because you don't know what we're on.
Good. Point to where the post-it notes are. Yes, there are post-it notes over there, so you shouldn't be asking for post-it notes. When I'm working at the independent station, I showed you this earlier, but I want to remind you, you have a folder. If you are part of group 1 or 2, it is in the slot that says group 1 or group 2. If you were in group 3 or 4, you pull that paper from group 3 or group 4.
What about the group 5?
There is no group 5 in math, sweetheart. Are there any questions about where you'll find this?
Where?
Colby, where will you find this?
In the folder over on Trevor's or Kyle's old desk.
Very good. Yes, ma'am.
When did the papers run out?
They won't run out. Because group 1 and group 2 are not going to do this paper. You are only doing the paper that is in your slot. So Nicholas is only going to grab this paper. Right, Nicholas?
Yeah.
Good. And Sadie's only going to grab this paper, right?
Right.
Good. Okay. If you are at the game station, you have cards. We're going to be playing War. We did this yesterday and Monday. Okay? So that means me and Kaylee are partners. She's going to have some cards and I'm going to have some cards. We're going to flip them down real quick and we're going to see who can answer the problem quickest. Kaylin, I need you to be listening. Okay? And go. What number is that, honey? You have to show me the number. I have to see the number. Okay? And again. 9. Okay? And then I would take the cards. Does that make sense?
Yes.
If you are group 1 or group 2, you have these whiteboards. If you need to make an array in order to solve this problem, make an array. You have markers up here. You have these whiteboards to use in order to make that array. That way you can answer the question correctly. If you are group 4, you have the even and odd.
Yes.
We did that earlier during intervention so you could see what this looks like. Group 4, this will be exactly where the cards are. Are there any questions about where and what is happening in each station? What's your question?
Is group 3 doing the even?
No. Yes?
Can I tell everybody what they're doing?
I think they know. Thank you, though. Yes, ma'am.
That's all. How much cards are each person supposed to get in the even odd?
3 to 4.
What if on the cards, the other cards? It's
15.
like 14?
10 to 15. Yes, sir.
What if there's just 4 of you, and if you still have
You'll figure it out.
Can you still pass them out?
You will figure it out. Brooklyn? Hi, you're talking.
What happens if there's 2 people?
Okay, then it's only you versus that other person.
Do we get 10 or
15. Okay. It doesn't really matter how many cards you have. Okay. What is your voice level if you're at Study Island? Show me on your hand. Study Island. What is your voice level if you're at the independent activity? Show me on your hand. Okay. What is your voice level if you were with me? Show me on your hand. What is your voice level if you were at the game station? Show me on your hand. Thank you. Okay. How should we transition? What kind of voice level is that supposed to be? Show me on your hand. What voice level should that be? Okay, Brooklyn, how could I transition? Quietly. Should it be fast or should it be really slow? Because I'm looking for things. I want to see my friends.
Fast.
Needs to be quick, doesn't it? Okay? Remember what you were working to earn. Yes, ma'am.
And don't shop and talk.
you to sit at your desk. You are not to sit on the floor. Move quietly and quickly. Go.